my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing a viral Chinese beauty brand called FLORTTE or FLORTTE. I personally would read it as FLORTTE, so I'm going to call it FLORTTE because that just flows better with me. But I've literally seen this brand all over Xiaohongshu, which is pretty much like Chinese Pinterest. And the collection we're going to be reviewing today specifically is called Nice to Meet You. The packaging, the aesthetic, everything about this collection is so pretty. But I think the best thing about this brand, guys, is that everything I'm going to show you today is literally under $10 US. Like, I feel like that's just so uncommon now, especially with the packaging you are getting with this brand. Like, even just the outer packaging, like unboxing everything is an experience as well. So I'm excited to introduce this new brand to you guys, to the channel. I definitely want to review them a lot more as well because this is just one of the many collections they have. They recently came out with a new one that I want to get. If you guys want me to review more from them, I definitely will. I'm thinking of making another purchase soon. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's tackle today's collection, the FLORTTE Nice to Meet You collection. If you want to know my thoughts, then please continue watching. So I have 5 products from FLORTTE and I purchased all of them off Chic Decent, which is a site based in the US, and they carry a lot of Chinese beauty brands. So they also have Flower Nose, they have Judy dolls, so that's where I've been getting my products from. I believe the shipping was free when I purchased. I think if you spend over a certain amount, I purchased once from them and it was perfect. Everything came really well packaged, so I've had a really good experience shopping over there. So I'm going to be linking my products from there, but I also do see that FLORTTE you can purchase off AliExpress as well, so you know, you have your options there. So yes, I have 5 products from the Nice to Meet You collection. This collection is giving all the spring vibes. It's so delicate and dainty. I absolutely love it. I definitely feel like it's an older collection, but it's still available on Chic Decent, so yeah, again, will be linked below. But of course, the first product I always review is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Nice to Meet You 4-color eyeshadow palette. This is $10 US and I got mine in number 2. So when you actually unbox the eyeshadow, it opens up like a present. The outer packaging I would keep just because it's so pretty. It also comes with like a little card. It even comes with a little flower keychain that you can attach to the palette, or you can attach to anything else, obviously. And then the outer design, it has that ripple water effect, which I've seen a lot in a lot of makeup components recently. But this with the flowers on it and the shadows underneath with that pink underneath, it is so pretty. So that's what I mean, like $10, you're getting a keychain, a really pretty packaging. Although the shadows are very small and it's only 4 shadows, I still think, you know, for $10, that is so worth it. And this is definitely more of like a muted rosy color story. And for my eye look today, I took the top 2 shadows, mixed them together, used that as my base, as my transition, just all over the lid, blending that up into the crease. I also took that onto my bottom lash line as well. Then I used my ring finger and took that shimmer shadow and placed that at the inner third of my eyes. And with a lot of Chinese shimmers, these are very sparkly, so they have a lot of micro glitters. Think like the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadows. It's almost like an eyeshadow topper. It still has a really strong base, but it's not gonna be as metallic like some Western eyeshadows. But this is definitely up my alley. I personally like shimmer shadows that look more like this, like eyeshadow topper, very sparkly and glittery, more so like a, you know, solid metallic that's very reflective. But the shimmer shadow is really pretty because it's almost like a duochrome. In the pan, it does look quite orange, but on the eyes, it applies like a ultraviolet pink. It has a lot of multi-dimensions in there with those sparkles glimmering through. For the mattes, they are very easy to blend, very buildable and very soft. The only con I have about this palette is just like these 2 mattes here. Very similar. I mean, that is on me for purchasing this specific color story, but I do think like they could have added something a little bit darker, maybe like a darker brown. And I think for $10, packaging, the little accessories, colors, the formula, absolutely amazing, guys. And then moving along, I did get a few products for the eyes. So the next product is a eyeliner, and this is the Nice to Meet You Mark Silkworm pen. The name is so so weird. I don't really understand that, but it is $7 and I got the shade number 2. So essentially this is like a liquid eyeliner pen, but the shade that I specifically got, it's such a beautiful pearlescent pink, like a silvery pink, ballerina silver pink. It's beautiful. So there's just so many things that I love about this pen. First off, it's $7. Amazing. Pretty packaging. The brush tip pen is actually on a slight angle, so it makes it perfect to apply this on your aegyo style, like on your under eye bag to highlight that area. You could obviously use this to like do a little glitter liner in the cut crease, anywhere. Essentially it's like a reflective metallic eyeliner with a little angle on the brush, which makes it so easy to use. It's also brush tip as well, so it's very flexible. I definitely would say it's a little bit more like satin-like. It's not like a glitter liner like the Urban Decay heavy metal glitters, where that's definitely like glitter. This has more of like a metallic liquid type of formula, but you do see a little bit of glitter in there, just a little bit, not too much. And then we have another eyeliner product. I actually did mention this specific product in my last monthly favorite. So this is the Choo Choo Baby double header eyeliner, also $7 as well. So this is a double-edged eyeliner. On one side you have sort of like a creamy yellow pencil, kind of like a creme gel liner from ColourPop, that kind of formula, and it's very soft, very matte. I personally don't have any use for this, but the purpose for this is to also highlight your aegyo style, to highlight your under eye bag, to get that, you know, that under eye cutesy look. But on the other side, you guys, this is a very thin and skinny brush tip liner that is like tinted brown. It's very light, so this would be the contour for your under eye bag to make that highlighted area pop even more. But because this is like a tinted brown, it's not so obvious and it doesn't get muddy, because I feel like with aegyo style it can get muddy really quickly. So it makes it look like, I guess, natural, if natural is possible. Alright, let's move on to the cheeks. I picked up one blush. This is the Nice to Meet You blush powder, also $7 as well, and I got mine in a number 9, Not Shy. This is in a similar packaging to the eyeshadow, where when you unbox it, it's like a present. You also get a little keychain as well, and I believe each blush shade you would get like a different keychain. And this is definitely on me. I just probably picked the wrong shade, because this is very light. I would say it's pretty much the same color as my skin tone. It does not show up at all, so it's very hard to give a opinion on it, because, you know, I can barely see it. Like, I can't see the formula on my cheeks because it's just too light. So I feel like if you had like very pale skin, this would be really pretty. It's not, you know, too much. Like, it's just gonna give you like an everyday little blush, a little color. Or you could use this as a base and then mid-tone blush. That's really pretty as well. So I feel like I can't give you, you know, my wholehearted recommendation for the blush, but, you know, just feeling the formula, it does feel quite nice. Then we come on to the last and final product, saving the best for last perhaps, because this went viral. This blew up. This brand blew up, but I feel like this product from FLORTTE blew up even more. And this is their Nice to Meet You Jelly Lipstick. It's $8 and I got mine in number 1. Again, cute packaging with the floral design, but the component itself is really cute because it comes out in a little heart shape. The shade in the component looks quite bright, but on the lips, on me, it is very natural. It looks like my lips but better, and I feel like this is perfect just for every day. And it definitely lives up to the name because your lips will look like jelly. If you want that like K-pop idol type of glossy look without using a lip gloss, then these kind of products is perfect for you. And $7? Excuse me? The Hourglass Phantom lipstick went viral, and that's like, I don't know, 5 times the price perhaps of this one. I also have the Hourglass one, and it's a good formula, but like for $7 you might as well just get this. The only thing about these is that like the color does fade away, so you just saw me reapply it just now. Like if I'm gonna talk for another 20 minutes, you know, the color is gonna evaporate a little bit, so it's something you gotta keep reapplying, but it's really easy to reapply because it's just so moisturizing. It's like effortless. It's one of those like effortless type of products. So for $7, I mean, I'm not complaining. I definitely want to get more shades. I just want to get more from FLORTTE, honestly. I'm a big fan if you cannot tell, and I think the price point just makes everything so much better. Those were all the products that I got from FLORTTE. I actually did get some of their matte lip creams, but I'm gonna be doing like a separate video on those, like a lip swatch, because I got all of the shades from that line. Everything overall, I absolutely loved, guys. The only thing that I didn't like was the blush, and that was just specifically the shade that I got, and that was on me. I'm hyping this brand up. It is worth the hype. I get why it went viral, and I'm so eager to try more of their products. If you guys have a certain collection you want me to review from them, then please do let me know. I would love to review it for you guys. It's gonna be a new brand you're gonna see on the channel. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed today's video as well, please give it a thumbs up for me. I truly would appreciate it. I do appreciate you guys for watching as always and supporting my channel. I love you so much, and I'll go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye!